problem in the kitchen.
You don't want to tell me what happened?
No, I don't. I just want to relax in a nice lukewarm bath.
This is why due diligence isn't an option. Give me a call.